taxi driver in the middle lane has sat in the middle lane since Leicester, and he's not really getting any further away from me. Or I'll gain on him and then he'll slowly go away from me. Then I'll gain on him again and he'll sit in the middle lane. That is your typical taxi driver. I could do with a coffee. I'm so tired. So I turned down there, just gone past it this morning. So this is the third time I've been on this road, because I came, then I went, then I've come, and now I'm going to go again. So 4 times I've been along this road, and it's an absolute shocker of a road. Absolute shocker. But anyway, we are nearly here. Still need a coffee. The sweets didn't wake me up. I thought sugar would come up, but no, it didn't. I'm very tired still. What is going on? Got here, so we were just going to go unload. I was on the phone to Liam pretty much all the way until I got here, so let's go to finished, but there is someone unloading in front of me, so we have to wait for him to finish. As you see, he maybe can hear he's slamming his doors, but that's just the bottom. He's got the top left. and then we can go. So I've been really tired all the way home, so I've had my music right up, and when I see right up to number 35, because that's all as I'm allowed to go up to, because that's what my trucking sounds card says, wherever it is. So this one, yeah, look, volume 35. Trucking sounds card, do they have a number? Yeah, it even has their number on. Anyway, we are nearly back. I've realised I can't actually see a lot out of my mirrors because of the water that sprayed on them when I was washing out. But it's okay. I'm nearly back now, so it doesn't really matter. So I have just picked up my horse losing the insides. I'm actually surprised Dad's not back yet. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.